Welcome everybody to my nookery. My name is Linda and today, first Tuesday of September, and what does that mean? That means it's a giveaway, and it's a little bit of a special giveaway this month because it's my birthday month. So I'll be right back. That's the doorbell. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. That was Rick. So let me see. Oh, there it is. No. So I have got, as I said, it's a little bit special, and you all know my favourite colour is purple, so, and I know there's a lot of people out there that love purple too. So I have got for this, and today is the 6th of September. This will go through until the 23rd of September, which is the day before my birthday, and the winner will be announced on the 27th of September. Let me just go through the rules. You must be 18 years or over. You must be subscribed to my channel because this is for all my subscribers. Don't forget to click the thumbs up, give me a thumbs up, and you must leave a comment. And at the end of this video, I'll give you a word that you need to put in to be in with a chance to win this lovely Universe yarn. And this is a Hobbii yarn. It's 98% acrylic, 2% polyester, because as you can see there's got a little metallic thread going through it. It's 100 grams, so you're going to get 4 of these. 462 meters, 505 yards. Now I used one of these to make Ursula's Count My Blessings shawl, and I've used 4 of these to make my poncho, and I'll put the link to my poncho tutorial in the description box, and I'll also put the link to Ursula's pattern as well. So this, and a 3 to 3.5 millimeter knitting needles, 3.5 hook. It's a number 1 fine, 30-degree wash, no iron, no tumble dry, no dry bleach, and that. And it's made in Turkey, but it was designed in Denmark, and it's a Hobbii yarn. So you've got 4 of these, so you've got 400 grams, and you've got 4, 8, 12, 16. You've got nearly 18,000 yards. So that will make something really good. So, and as with all of my giveaways, you get a little container for your stitch markers with stitch markers in. You get a pen. You get two of the bent tapestry hooks, needles, which are brilliant for sewing in those pesky ends. You get a 4mm hook, and you get a little swan notepad. So the word that I want you to put in the description, in your comments, is universe. So that's it, universe. I'll just write it here so you'll know what I'm talking about. So yeah, the word is universe, guys. So that's all from me for today. As I said, all the rules are in the description box below. This is not sponsored by YouTube. This is sponsored by me, myself. I purchased the yarn. I purchased all the goodies that are going with it. You're responsible for any customs duty I will pay to have it sent to you, but it's up to you to pay any customs duty. And that's it. Good luck everybody. Don't forget the word is universe. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye for now.